Hello, hello. End of January nearly. Soon goes, doesn't it? Anyway, we've had some hefty old storms come up through the last couple of weeks, and my broad beans took a bit of a battering. They don't look very well. In actual fact, I don't think they'll pull through. If it were a dog, you'd shoot it. Anyway, I'm going to start some more off now, and what I do is I tow them in toilet roll centres. Nice and easy, because then when you pop them in the ground, the roots shoot out through the sides, and away they go. They get established really quickly, and by doing this you ain't got to worry about having mice eating your bean seeds when they're in the ground. And I think my little helper just arrived. Anyway, let's show you what I do. Toilet roll centre, dead simple. Compost from last year's peppers. There's all sorts in it. Bit of old manure, I don't know, but it'll do for what we want to do here. So literally all we do is we fill up the toilet roll centre, press it down, because this is the bit you need to make sure is fairly tight. Keep that nice and tight, and the reason being, in a second you'll see why. Get rid of these old roots, they ain't going to hurt too much. Right, so then what we do, he's nice and firm there, tip him upside down. And there we've got the perfect place to plant a runner bean seed. And I said it again, runner bean, broad beans. I'm going mad. I haven't had a drink yet. Anyway, there we go. In with the seed, in the middle, pushing down, about ½ inch. Little tiny bit of loose stuff on the top. And then into the ice cream container. All the ice cream containers are reused, come from various places, and all I do is drill some drainage holes in the bottom. These can now go out into the water tub and have a damn good soak. Drain them, put them on the side in the greenhouse and leave them to germinate. They won't take long, they'll be up in a few days, and when they get 6 to 8 inches, all you've got to do then is go out in the garden, make a hole slightly deeper than the toilet roll centre, so just about an inch deeper. Drop it in, pop some more soil back round the top of them to protect them and to keep them upright, and away they go. Next time you see them will be in the summer. One of the easiest crops there is to grow. Anyway, I crack on and do this. I got another 3 dozen to do. Keep on gardening.